Hello guys, so now let us listen to the tutorial based on the source of the preamble. So we are now at the first line of preamble. So what does it say? It says that we, the people of India. So it says we, the people of India, solemnly resolve, right? Solemnly resolved. So where are we borrowing the constitution from? We are borrowing the constitution from the people of India, right? So it means the constitution. It means the constitution is sourced by the people of India. It means the constitution is sourced by the people of India. So what else is the implication? It also means, right? So it also means that the constitution is derived from the people of India, and it simply means that it is not derived from any other country, right? So it means that it is not derived from any other country. It means that the preamble, right, or the so-called, let us say, also called constitution, is not derived from any other country. Not derived from any other country. Okay. So to make it more clear, no foreign power, right? So no foreign power is actually the authority of preamble. So no foreign power is the authority of preamble, or authority of constitution, to be more precise, is the authority of the constitution. So who is the authority of the constitution? The constitution's sole authority is the people of India. Okay, and in this context, it should also be said that the preamble or the constitution is enforced. It is not enforced from any other country or any other king or any other crown. Okay, which means that the preamble is not enforced by any other country. The preamble is not enforced by any other country, nor a king, neither a king nor a queen, nor the crown. Instead, the preamble is derived. Only by the people of India. Only by the people of India. So what are we talking about? We're talking about source of the preamble. What did we say in source of preamble? We said that we, the people of India, solemnly resolve. What is the meaning of we, the people of India? It means that the constitution is sourced by the people of India. What does it also mean? It also means the preamble, the constitution is not derived from any other fraction of people. What kind of people are talking about? It is not derived from any foreign country. It is not derived from any king, or not from any queen, or from any crown. It is instead derived from the people of India. Now, to be more concise about the definition, we can further say that the preamble states that the constitution derives its authority from the people of India. The preamble states that the constitution, now this word is critically important, guys. Here this word says the constitution derives its authority. The constitution derives its authority Where does it derive authority from? It derives authority from the people of India. So it derives authority from the people of India. So now we have discussed the source of preamble. Okay. So what is the next sentence? It says that it has been resolved into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. So we'll see it in the next tutorial.